awesome. Yeah. I'm gonna get the yellow one.
Me and my bro right here, Blue Bunny.
Yeah. Let's go get that red one. That Mustang.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them.
Okay. Woo! New car smell? Hold on. Oh, come on, bro. Let's get in. See ya, suckers!
New car smell?
Oh, yeah. I like that new car smell.
Yeah, that's pretty fire.
Yes.
Take it off. Oh, hey, Paul.
Oh, what's up, Orange Bunny?
What be going on? Where we
don't
going?
know.
Where we?
Let's go, back to the crib.
Okay.
Yeah. What took you guys so long, bro?
Well, I don't know.
Let's just go into the crib. Hoo-ah!
Skirt.
I have no idea how I can fit in that thing. Hey, OB and BB. These cars are sick. I'm so glad we found that dealership and stole them.
Yeah.
But guys, don't you think that they could have trackers on them and then they could track us down? Shut up, Blue Bunny. So,
do you want me to go? I can go check if you want.
No, I highly doubt that.
Okay.
You want to go eat some ice cream sandwiches?
I'm in the mood for ice cream sandwiches. Yeah.
Or we can go to the Italian restaurant.
Ew, I hate Italian restaurants.
Ice cream sandwiches it is. All right, let's go.
I hate Italian sandwiches.
Oh my god, those ice cream sandwiches were the
yeah.
bomb. Whoa!
Where did the car go?
I don't know. Where did our cars go? Hey, guys, look over there. Look over there. Guys, we need to get into that old Jeep that I have.
Oh,
come on.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. All right, guys, let's clap these fools. Come on. Get out of the car, retard. Come on. Polo? You donkey. Oh! Open up, loser!
You don't mess with me. You know that?
Oh. Huh? Oh! Trying to put the car back over.
This is the water. We almost get it.
Guys, watch the master do it. Oh, I just think I ripped a little one.
Oh my god, Bo.
I got a friend, guys. Applesauce! Hey, Applesauce,
What do you want? I was over there buying some stuff that you guys don't want to know.
Can you flip that car over?
Loser.
Thanks, Applesauce. Alright, guys, let's go.
Let's go, homies.
Alright, guys, let's head back to the crib. Whoa, it's a laptop. Wait, it's a red bear. Who's a red bear that we know?
Polo.
Polo!
Oh, let's hack into this.
Alright.
I don't know where our secrets are. We gotta search.
Just hack the secrets. Come on.
Okay,
Alright, I was in hacking class in middle school recently.
Oh, I remembered.
Okay.
Back up. Scooch.
Okay.
Scooch your peep. Scooch
Okay,
over.
okay.
I got this. Guys, I hacked into his secrets.
Oh, really? What happened?
Yeah, look.
The Himalayan brown bear. He's one, he's not from the Himalayas, and two, he's not a brown bear. So what's the deal, Orange Bunny?
This is a secret, so maybe he just dyed himself red so he wouldn't obviously.
That makes so much sense. He dyed himself red.
Blue Bunny.
So
We need Blue Bunny.
what guys? What did I hear about my name?
Look at this.
Himalayan brown bear. Wait, but Polo's red. Yeah, he died.
He dyed himself red. This is a secret.
Oh, well, that makes a lot of sense. Can we go home now? I'm feeling snoozy.
You
yeah,
can.
Sure.
You
just,
can.
Just head home. All right, guys, I'm leaving. So what are we gonna do with all this information we just found?
Let's take his computer.
All right. What? He likes 21 Pilots?
Seriously?
What a freaking nerd.
He likes all-time low. Like seriously?
Ew.
Ew.
Fallout Boy?
Ew. And he likes Panic at the Disco too.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Fit this in the car, Poe. Oh yeah. Is that what you call it, Poe?
No, I'm just gonna pop into my whip.
Okay.